What's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, coming at you with today's video recap on our proprietary chart display. Let's get right into it, folks. I'm actually going to show you something different today, something unique. All right, so what you're seeing on the screen right now is a symbol called the Russell 2000. And if you trade Forex, your symbol is US 2000. If you trade futures, your symbol is RTY. And if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is TNA. All right. Now, I'm going to explain to you right now why the Russell is intriguing enough for you to consider putting it on your watch list. And don't worry, for all you Nasdaq lovers, I got the Nasdaq queued up for you. Don't worry, we're going to come back to the Nasdaq in just a few seconds. But this video is kind of important, and I'm going to tell you why. Okay. I believe in something called symbol diversification. All of you vol customers, all of you guys who have gone through my vol tutorials and you're using the vol on a daily basis, then you know what I mean when I say symbol diversification, okay? Basically, folks, what that means is keep an open mind, okay? Don't fall into these silly traps of only obsessing with one symbol like the S&P 500 or like the NAS or oil, right? Don't become obsessed with just one symbol. And so what a lot of traders decide to do when expanding their watch list is go after some of those very volatile symbols like the Russell, but that may also not be very well known. You understand what I'm saying? Because look, man, there's tons of symbols that you've never heard of in every asset class. Forex, futures, stocks and options. I'm willing to bet you that there's a variety, okay? A wide variety of symbols that you've never heard of, but that also look amazing on the chart. Case in point, let's get into it. This is today's price action on the Russell 2000. I've already outlined the Forex and futures and stock symbols, all right? And let me go ahead and take this back a little bit. Let's try to figure out the market open time. Looks like the market opened somewhere there. So we were basically green coming into the market open, and you can see we turned red at this exact moment in time. By the way, folks, this green and red color band, forgot to explain what it is. This is our proprietary volume-based indicator. It's a very good and useful tool, in my humble opinion, on helping traders identify the prevailing direction. Because there's only one thing that I believe in, and that is following the trend. I'm not looking to counter trend trade. I'm not looking to scalp. I'm not looking to call tops and bottoms. I'm just looking to try to identify pockets in the market where a trend changes in either direction. As you can see right here, the trend changed to a bearish direction. That's why you see this color band turned red. And right over here, you can see that, lo and behold, the volume color band turns green at this exact moment in time. And what that indicates to you is a potential bullish trend change, okay? You don't know in advance that this thing's going to rip for, what is this, just about 350 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex, right? It's a shocking move, 300 plus ticks and pips. Nobody knows in advance, right? And that's the nature of day trading and putting some risk on the table and using professional technical analysis tools, right? Because if an event happens in the market, like a trend change, took place here again, this was a bearish trend change, and it took place again here, nice bullish trend change, you know, looks like the market's moving up a little bit even in the after hours, but you know, you guys get the idea, right? You get the idea and the use case of why a trend-based indicator can be so effective with your technical analysis. And that's because I think it's just simply color-coded, right? When it's red, this indicator's trying to tell you is, hey, look, boss, the sellers are now in control and the odds favor the market going down. And when it turns green, like it did over here, this indicator is basically telling you, hey, look, boss, the trend has changed. The odds favor the market going up, right? And how you implement that is totally up to you. But this pocket right here, this location in the chart, is a statistically significant area to start paying attention to. Make sense, folks? Now let's fire up that strategy on the NAS. Go ahead and timestamp the market open right there. We came into the market being green, and lo and behold, this volume indicator nicely turns red right there, giving us several opportunities. There was, one shallow retracement right over here, but there was a nice deep retracement right there. And I'm not going to get too much into retracements in this video. I feel like I've done hundreds of videos explaining retracement strategies and why you see this type of setup happening, the market retracing, aka pulling back and giving you a much better fill than the color change, right? This retracement strategy can be very powerful. Check out some of my other videos on retracements and you're going to see how powerful that strategy can be. But yeah, man, simple color change on the NAS today. Turned red. What did I tell you turning red means? What that means is the odds favor the market going down, and boy did it go down, right? Just a straight, what is this, 600 ticks from the turning point to the segment low, again, depending on where you got out. But the potential was there. Same thing over here, man. Vol turns green, right? We now start looking for setups, but if you're following retracements, you guys can see this chart, right? This is the only one that really is a retracement. Telling you folks, watch that video on my channel with respect to retracements. You're going to be shocked at how often you see powerful retracement patterns. But yeah, folks, that's what I wanted to do for you here in this video. I wanted to kind of put the spotlight on the Russell, man. I feel like I've ignored the Russell. I feel like a lot of you guys out there are ignoring the Russell, and shame on all of us, right, for not having an open mind enough to at least consider the Russell being fired up on your symbol watch list. And yeah, folks, try to pop this on your chart. If you need assistance on finding the right symbol for your broker or your market, then feel free to get in touch. I'd be happy to give you my personal insights on the Russell 2000. All right. But yeah, folks, another awesome day on the volume indicator. I got some message from some of you folks out there that said, hey, Mark, it was kind of a slow day today. Well, I disagree with that. It's only a slow day if you don't know where to look, right? And that's why I believe in expanding your symbol watch list, keeping an open mind, and diversifying your symbols. Because in my humble opinion, today, as you can see here, was a fantastic day. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.